Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do counting fingers. So, can you solve all these math problems? Let's try. 1 plus 1, 2. Counting together 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 will give us 3. Next, 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 will give us 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3. Counting together 5 plus 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 will give us 8. 1 plus 1, 2, 3. Counting together 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 1 plus 3 will give us 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 0. When we add 0 in something, it will remain same. So 5. 1, 2 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. Answer will be 4. You did it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.